This is what? The chessboard, right? You have 8 by 8 square. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on one side. And then up, you have 1, 2, 3, up to 8. You can see 5, 6, 7, 8, right? I don't want to open it now, but later on, maybe we'll look at this. Maybe we'll learn how to play. If you do very well, it tells you you are intelligent. Now, if you don't do well in it, it doesn't mean you're not intelligent. You can be intelligent in other ways, right? So we'll look at this. But then, spatial intelligence, recognition, for you, your ability to recognize shapes or patterns, right? In order for you to do that, you need to be able to understand this basic that I'm going to teach in this class. The skill you are going to learn here will help you in reading graphs, plot graphs, help you to recognize pattern, recognition. Okay, it's going to test your listening skills as well. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. The chessboard is labeled. We have more on the chessboard. You have 8 by 8. So on the chessboard, you are going to have something like this. So 8 by 8 is what you have here. 8, but then notice how the annotation is. On this side, they are lettered A to H. Then from down to up, they are lettered 1 to 8. Right? So let's keep this one aside first. Let me give this example because when it's small, it's easier for you to visualize, right? And it's bigger. So this cell here, this first one that I'm marking now, is called what? A1. Can you say A1? A1. So this is the address. You can think of it like addressing. Yeah? Computers use something like that. So in Excel, right? In Excel, you are going to be using it when you learn Excel in computer. As a computer application, spreadsheet application, you are going to use this skill too in Excel. Okay, so it's what you call addressing, right? So this other cell, let me put cross now. Let me put a circle in this cell. What will be the address of this one? No, it's still 1. So it's B1, right? So what would be this one? This one is B2. That's B and 2. It maps like this. So when you are plotting graph, you map the line like that too. So that's why I say you are going to apply the same skill when you are in graph reading and plotting of graphs. Okay. Then what's this one? This last one that I've marked. A3. Good. You are getting it now. So let's say we are playing tic-tac-toe, right? And then you don't want to lose, so you put your dots here. You put your second dot here, okay? You don't have to play tic-tac-toe. Okay, maybe later on we'll do tic-tac-toe exercise. We'll do tic-tac-toe later on. So, what's this one? Everybody? C3. So what's this now? This other circle. C1. Do we all get it? Yes. Then what's this? C2. And then what's this one? A2. Good. So now you understand how we address this cell. In place I've drawn a small triangle. What do you call that square now? D5. Cecilia said D5. Anybody else have a different answer? D5. Say it like you know it now, everybody. D5. Good. So that we have good understanding of what we are doing now. Well done, everybody. So how about here? This circle there. H8. Good. This is a simple thing. Okay.